very, very nice. That, my friends, is the Hot Toys DX10, the T800 from Terminator 2. Let's just pop that sucker open. On the inside there. Very cool. This little bit opens up. There's Arnie there. Very, very cool. On the inside there, can't really read it, but it says, I know now why you cry, but it's something I can never do. So, very cool box, and move that little insert. And there's the man himself, Arnold, or the Terminator. So, there's a bit of fun with that unboxing, and look forward to the review soon.